Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to completely disable the sound on your Google Chrome browser in Windows 11. In this video we will learn this guys. You can completely disable the audio on for your Google Chrome browser, or if you want to disable the sound only for any particular website, you can also do it from here. So first we will learn how to disable the sound only for particular website. So for example, if you want to mute the sound, if you want to disable the sound only for the YouTube website, so just first you need to open the site on your browser. After opening, here in the URL box, here you can get the option, one lock option. As you can see, view site information, just click and open it. From here you need to open the site settings like this. Okay, in the site settings guys, you can easily get the option to disable the sound. Scroll down and find out the sound. As you can see, from here you need to extend this option, and from here you need to select mute option. That's it. So this is the method to disable the sound only for particular website. Okay, now if you want to disable the sound completely on the Google Chrome browser, now you need to open the settings on your browser. Just open Windows settings, hold Windows key button and press I. This is the shortcut key to open the settings. In the settings, go to system, and in the right panel open this sound option. Okay, like this. In the sound option, scroll down and find out volume mixer. Just click and open it, and now here you can get the option Google Chrome. If you want to disable the sound for your browser, just you need to completely mute this option from here like this. Just click on this volume icon if you want to mute, like this. If you want to unmute, just once again you need to click on that icon. That's it. Not only sound guys, if you want to disable the microphone, you can also get the option output device, input device. As you can see, from here you can easily able to make the changes. If the Google Chrome option is not showing here, so it means the Google Chrome browser was closed on your PC. You need to open the Google Chrome browser, and after then you will get this all kind of option in the settings app, as you can see guys. So this is the very easy and very simple method to completely disable the sound for the Google Chrome browser. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.